Hi guys, welcome to another video, and you're watching Suzie Jamaica Vibes, and this is my backyard Calaloo. Now this is just a quick update of what's been going on with my Calaloo farm, and this is for eating purpose, not for sale. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, as you can see, the Calaloo has come up very beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick out the head. So these are the seedy something right here. I'm gonna pick those out with my finger so that the Calaloo tree can go ahead and spring in body, like you have seen down here. Now guys, something is eating the Calaloo, so I'm gonna have to spray it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out the heads so I can get them to spread. Now I have done this before earlier, but they have come back up in here, so I'm just picking out the heads so I can get the body to eat. Whenever they spring now, it can spring in big trees, and I can get those. Now guys, these seeds can also be planted. You just pick them or you leave them there until they dry, and they'll drop back on the dirt and they also bust, and you have a lot of Calaloo sucker coming up. But when the trees are much older, I leave those parts so that I can get Calaloo right in this section here. So I'm just picking out the heads, guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Normally I wouldn't spray Calaloo, but I don't like how these are looking. They're not so the leaves aren't so healthy at all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick spray off with some Indocarb and Carachax to keep away all the insects. And I'm going to be using coppery for the green chinks. You can see some green chinks right here, or brown chinks. And see, something is eating down that section. I'm gonna have to go ahead and spray it. This is quilting away, so I'm gonna spray it, guys, and then within a few weeks I can have Calaloo to eat or to make juice, or whichever purpose I want it for. Now guys, me the plan for grass it down, but because the rain a fall and come up so quick, because I had those mulch over there that I was gonna use and grass down in here, so but it come up so fast, me not even gonna bother grass it, trust me, not going to bother. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this off now, guys. So thanks so much for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and leave a comment. Bye for now.